The 10 Best Soldering Irons. When you plan to engage in the type of delicate work that requires using extremely high temperatures to melt and apply metal to joint connections, you'll want to make sure you're confident in the equipment you're relying upon. These effective soldering irons come in an array of styles and include plenty of accessories to help make the process as safe and efficient as possible. The list starts from Weller WLC100. Built in the traditional pencil-style configuration, the Weller WLC100, about $35, comes complete with a stand and an iron-plated copper tip. This versatile model is easy to wield for lengthy stretches of time, which helps you get the job done efficiently. Includes a tip cleaning pad. Power adjusts from 5 to 40 watts, but can take a while to heat up. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Hakko FX888D. Craftsmen in the know are quick to recommend the Hakko FX888D. Around $100. It's efficient and reliable, delivering a consistent performance at high and low settings. It doesn't come cheap, but it's a wise choice if you view it as a long-term investment. Heats up fully in less than a minute. Built-in cleaning wire and sponge, but functions are not the most intuitive. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Weller P2KC. The handheld, butane-powered Weller P2KC, about $57, is especially useful to have on hand for minor home and auto repair projects. It reaches up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit in a short amount of time, and can be used for about an hour continuously. Simple refill process. Melt solder in less than a minute, but instructions are not very helpful. Well, here is the 7th one. Vastar AC222. The Vastar AC222, about $23, is a remarkable value when you consider everything you get with this kit. It includes 5 separate tips for different applications, plus a stand, wire, a wick, a cleaning sponge, 2 tweezers and a 59-inch power cable for flexibility while you work. Durable carrying case. 16 pieces in the set, but not ideal for professional use. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Hakko FX601. Thanks to quality craftsmanship and a grounded construction, the Hakko FX601, about $71, operates safely and effectively without using a cumbersome base station. On its handle is a dial for selecting one of 6 heat levels, from 240 to 540 degrees Celsius. Ideal for stained glass work. Holds a consistent temperature, but lightweight and easy to grip. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Wei-Chan TS100. With a devoted following in the tech industry, the Wei-Chan TS100 APPX, $68, is a precision-calibrated tool that's ideal for working with sensitive materials. USB connectivity allows savvy users to flash the firmware with a wide variety of additional user-programmed functions, available with various assorted tips. Has an overheating warning, but good for drone repairs. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Shine Now Portable. The Shine Now Portable, around $57. Durable aluminum shell, lightweight, and compact size make it a prime choice for tossing in a mobile toolkit. It heats up fully in about 10 seconds, and goes to sleep between uses to conserve energy and preserve its life. Programmable down to the degree. Simple to swap tip elements, but in-depth LCD control panel. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Dremel 2001. An assortment of attachments helps make the Dremel 2001 APPX, $40. The highly versatile choice. The Shapung knife gives you the ability to mold plastic and other heat-sensitive materials, while the deflector allows you to perform precise work on electrical wiring. Suitable for decorative wood burning. Useful flame lock-on feature, but Protective cap aids in cooling. According to reviews, the second best product is Whole Life Black. The tips that come with the Whole Life Black, about $59, are built from solid copper and plated with iron and nickel for long-term durability. It operates smoothly with a bright display screen and a simple control panel for anything from appliance repairs to do-it-yourself jewelry. Easy tool-free tip changing. Corrosion-resistant silicone cable, but stand with removable sponge tray. Now here is our best of best, the king product. Master Appliance Ultra Torch. Designed for working with precision electronics. The gas-fueled Master Appliance Ultra Torch, around $98, will put the power of a dragon and the finesse of a ballerina at your fingertips, allowing for remarkable accuracy at red-hot settings. Reaches 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, backed by a 1-year warranty. But efficient flameless operation.